Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a continuation of my weight loss journey, and I'm going to be showing you how I made the salad that I use for week 1 of my 50 days fast. So these are the vegetables I'll be using. That is plum, tomatoes, cucumber, my yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and carrots. I'm going to clean them and chop them into the sizes that I want. Guys, are you aware you can become a part of our community of effective singles and couples by subscribing to any of my membership perks on this YouTube channel? Apart from the different activities that we host outside of this YouTube channel, which you will benefit from as a member, you also have access to all our videos first before it goes public. That means that you can watch our Spotlight talk show videos in full before anybody else sees it. Cucumber, just gonna cut them into square shape. Everything else, tomatoes, again square shape. Just cut them into 2, and that's the shape that I want. So I'm just gonna peel off the skin. Peel off the skin. After peeling, I will wash it and then grate it. So this is where the hard work is. So once you get this out of the way, the rest is easy. Okay, I've washed them. Okay, so the next thing will be for me to mix my salad dressing. So I've got my 2 tablespoons of olive oil here. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Add my half teaspoon of pink salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then I've got my honey, 1 tablespoon of honey. Finally, I will add lemon. And then mix everything together. I'll just mix up everything. That's my salad all done, nice and dusted. This is a very simple salad. The only thing with making salad is that it takes time when you have to chop the vegetables. I hope I've given you some ideas on how to make your salad for your weight loss journey. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up and leave a comment. Share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.